How to close CaixaBank account. CaixaBank is a major Spanish bank that also offers a range of insurance products. These cover areas like life, pension, home, car, health, and business insurance. First, check your account for any pending transactions, direct debits, or standing orders. Transfer any remaining funds to another account. The easiest way to close your account is to visit your local CaixaBank branch. Bring your identification like passport and ID card. Contact CaixaBank customer service at this number. They may guide you on how to proceed remotely. Request written confirmation of the account closure for your records. That's it. Thanks for watching.